the pattern here seems like it's breaking out of the market, but take note guys, there is a pattern forming here and it's called a wedge. So you have the rising wedge on a downtrend. For those of you who are conversant with technical analysis, anytime you have a rising wedge in a downtrend, it symbolizes a continuation of the downtrend. But take note, there's something else forming here, and if you draw this, you will see that we have an inverse head and shoulders. So inverse head and shoulders, that pattern means that the market is about to reverse. Now we have two conflicting analysis here. The market wanting to reverse to the upside, and then also from this section, the market wanted to go down on the downside. Now, are we going for the upside or for the downside? Now, if we zoom out on this, take a look at the candles at the top of this wedge pattern here. Now, if the market is truly wanting to go on the bullish, just look at these bullish candles. You see how weak they are. This one was in Marubozu, but at the top of it, it weakened out. And then look at this one right here. This one was almost forming a doji. And then look at the next one. That one formed a proper doji. This one. And then this one, it's forming something like, it's also a doji there. Okay, so almost looking like the morning star. Look at this, guys. All these show to you that the bullish trend that you're looking at here is actually fading. And couple that with the rising wedge pattern on the downtrend, all of these symbolize that the momentum that we felt going upwards could be nothing but a pullback, right? So the market, in my opinion, is going down. Now, having established that the market is going back down, the next thing I want to do is to find out if this spot is a proper place to take a sell position on. We want to get on this on a sniper entry. So if I look at this from the eyes of the 15-minute time frame, this is taking a little bit. Okay, so from my 15 minutes trend line drawn here, you can see that the market has perfectly come to meet my trend line, and this could signify a very good time to sell this market. From here, this is a good sniper entry. So what I will do now is I'll take a sell position here, or maybe two. Remember, volatility 75s, minimum lot size you can take here is 0.001. So we'll take one sell, right? And let's take another sell. Okay, guys. So just because we had conflicting analysis at the first point when we analyzed this, but I'm pretty sure this is going down, we're going to put in some amount of risk measures here. So let's go back to our 4-hour time frame. Okay, so now having entered the trade, we should expect to be able to pay the broker fee. That will put us in a little position of loss at the moment. So I will just put some risk on this. So I'll put some stop loss. How do you get your stop losses out? Tap on your entry, that position